Now we take a look at one of the most appreciated features of this suite, which is the multiple appointments. Let's go on with Buffett Charlie, and we click on the specific appointment, and we see that the Add Multiple Appointments button appears. So we want to set other appointments for the same patient, and we see that he has already 2 appointments set, one on the 9th and one on the 11th. If we click on Add Multiple Appointments, the screen will show the calendar already filtered by the current therapist, so you have no interference with other therapist appointment, and just by clicking on one day, he sets immediately a new appointment and it's yellow. You can continue in the next weeks by setting appointments, and you can fill the whole data. What is very interesting, if you look at the tooltip, it says that it's appointment 6 on 6. So if we go on the next week, we set 3 other appointments, we save, we go back to the former overview, and we see that Buffett Charlie has a total of 9 appointments, and all are listed here. If we save, you will see that on the all days, all appointments have correctly saved, and the last appointment is on the 27th, and it's 9 on 9. That means that he has done and booked 9 appointments.